just love that sound. It sounds amazing. This is the amazing 67 registration Range Rover Sport SVR in the white with lots of other little added extras. 550 brake horsepower, but it's the sound, it's the performance, it's the way it looks. This car only has 39,000 miles. Full service history, very well looked after. It's stunning and it's got loads of specification. Remember, it's an SVR. Now, as you very well know, we wouldn't normally retail a car this age, but because of the low mileage, it's a car that we sold previously, so we know the car, we know the previous owner. Very well looked after, and it looks the part. And like I said, with some added extras, it really does sort of stand out for me. In the white, with the full black styling pack on, which is the black badges, the grills, bonnet vents, side vents. It's an SVR, so everything's super enhanced. You've got the SVR bumpers with the big air vents. This one's got front rear parking sensors, adaptive cruise control. But then you have the full arch kit in colour coded. And then you have the new design SVR wheels, which is absolutely stunning, to be fair, in immaculate condition, in gloss black. And you have the blue brake calipers just behind. You've then got features like the fixed side steps, contrasting black roof, sun protection glass, and this car, as an optional extra, also has soft closed doors. So you don't need to slam the doors. As soon as they click, it goes in automatically. Comfort access. But look at the condition of that interior. Before you start, look at the door card, because this car has the full carbon fibre interior inlays, and this cost a lot of money. That's the side cubby holes there, the switch control area, and then the centre dash. But then you have more carbon fibre around the air vents. The beautiful SVR seats with the bucket styling, the white beading, perforated seats, electric memory and heated seats. You then got the ambient lighting, which is on the centre tunnel, footwell area, door pockets, illuminated entry kick plates. If I can quickly squeeze in, you've then got an up-to-date, more modern infotainment system, because on the 17s they switched over from the smaller screen to the larger screen. So you've got navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, reversing camera system. It's all there, C options, web browser. It's fabulous. But look at this carbon fibre. It's in immaculate condition. You have got 2 keys, centre armrest which lifts up with more cubbyhole space, tilt and sliding panoramic roof, glove box which goes down like that with a lock and wheel look, SVR badging. How nice is this car? It's amazing. Like I said, not everybody wants to spend £100,000 on an SVR, but they want a nice low mileage like this one, 39,000 miles. And look at the condition of the back seats. Absolutely spot on. You've then got third zone climate control, rear heated seats as well, more carbon fibre on the rear door cards and the rear section. And then with this lovely hard back sport seats that you've got, it's a great vision. It's a good sight to be looking at as a rear passenger. As you come to the back of the car, you'll notice, like the front, the lights are tinted. That's just an aftermarket thing, but it looks good against the white car. The rear spoiler, rear badges, and the quad tailpipes. Remember, this car has sport exhaust. When you press the button, it goes louder. Massive boot space. Seats go down 60/40, and underneath you have the spare wheel, which is only a dinky one, space saver, but it's better than nothing. Press that button again, it closes up. The SVRs have a great styling, they just look the part, but for me, it's the way it drives and the sound that it produces, and you do get a great amount of specification. So like I say, if you're in the market for an SVR and you don't want to spend a great £100,000, this ticks every single box. You've got the full digital dashboard there, which you can configure, so you can have the display of the navigation or the rev counters like it has. Adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth and stereo controls on that side, and then you have that continuous carbon fibre on the centre section of the steering wheel. Paddle shift, put it into reverse, and the reversing camera kicks in, which is very easy to use. Press the P button to park, and there's a sport exhaust, air suspension, and the different drive modes down here. Lots of legroom and headroom for all your friends and family, but I have to agree. I've always said this model SVR always sounds a bit louder than the newer models because of soft limiters and everything else that they put on them. That just sounds raw, it's banging this, like it's bonkers, I absolutely love it. It isn't going to hang around for too long. The bodywork's superb, the wheels in great condition. With the 2 keys, the car comes fully prepared with 12 months MOT. If it is due a service within 6,000 miles or 6 months, we'll service it before you get the car. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.